Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is caws, which means cheese. Caws, as in, dwi'n bwyta caws. I'm eating cheese. Caws, cheese.